This was history to smile about. Tom Goldman, NPR News, Pyeongchang. Listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
Just ahead this hour, Yale's a cappella group has admitted its first female member since its founding in 1909. We'll have that story coming up on All Things Considered, right here on New Orleans Public Radio, 89.9 WWNO. Right now it's 5:48. Here's a look at traffic.
Heading on the I-10 as you exit the CBD traveling eastbound, you've got high-rise traffic slowing just inside of Elysian Fields, while the I-610 has your delay a bit heavier backed up through the Broad region. The westbound I-10 now tight from Carrollton all the way out to the Williams exit ramp. You do have an accident being reported out around the Williams exit. You've also still got a structure fire on West Esplanade at Loyola Drive. Watch for emergency units on the scene. This traffic report has been brought to you by Vasquez Law Firm. I'm Anthony Robinson.
And a few clouds across the Crescent City skies this evening. It's currently 80 degrees near Bayou St. John.
Support for New Orleans Public Radio.
Hey, Rochelle.
Nancy Lassen, Cindy Scalfi on exhibit through February 24th. More at ChristwoodRC.com.
Support for WWNO comes from Love Swimming, a year-round swim school located in Uptown New Orleans, dedicated to providing a safe environment where students 6 months through adults learn how to swim in an indoor heated saltwater pool. Videos of classes available on Facebook at Love Swimming. More information at loveswimming.com.
Support comes from Travel Central, presenting a taste tour of Tuscany and Umbria that explores the cultural and culinary highlights of Italy, cuisine from an Etruscan chef, gelato from Maestro, and a farm-to-table experience, accompanied with Italian wines. Information at Travel Central, 834-7000.
It's All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Mary Louise Kelly.
And I'm Ari Shapiro. 1 year ago, a well-known intensive care physician announced that he just might have come across a cure for sepsis. This deadly reaction to infection kills around 250,000 people in the U.S. each year. It's the leading cause of death in hospitals. Scientists are now doing a new round of studies to see if that physician's treatment really does all he says it does. Meantime, some doctors have gone ahead and started using it on patients. NPR's Richard Harris reports.
This story begins up in the Cascade Mountains. Last summer, 51-year-old Christopher Kelly was doing what he loved to do, cutting timber.
I was cutting for a logging outfit up on these rock cliffs, and I fell about a 150-foot fir tree into these maple trees. They had a bunch of dead tops. We call them widowmakers.
And when the top of the fir tree crashed into those maples, he says, the butt of the tree bounced back toward him.
And I was against a rock cliff. I didn't have nowhere to go, and I got crushed.
He says the tree smashed his pelvis and broke all his ribs, 22 bone breaks in all.
I heard the bones crunch when it got me. It was pretty crazy. I'd yell for a minute and then I'd pass out, and I guess my ribs were ripping my lungs is the reason I was only, in and out of consciousness.
It took a couple of hours before other men working in the woods found him. Kelly says he's amazed he even lived that long. But they managed to get him off the mountain and send him by medevac helicopter to Harborview Medical Center in Seattle. And that, of course, was just the beginning of his medical journey.
They had a bird cage is what they call it. It's a metal apparatus that holds your pelvis together, and they put in they've got a big piece of ready rod titanium keeping the hips together, a couple 4 or 5 little titanium plates, and about a little over a dozen, they look like sheet metal screws keeping the bones all together.
One of the big risks from injuries like this is infection.